In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and do reverse image search on Google. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is come over to Google, and once you're on Google, go ahead and click on images in the top right corner. And then once you've clicked on images, go ahead and click on the little camera there by the search bar. And then go ahead and either paste in the image URL or upload an image from your library on your hard drive. So today I'm going to go ahead and upload an image from the ones I've got saved on my computer. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and then click on choose file. And then once I've done that, go ahead and click on a random one here. So I'll click on this orange background that I've got. And what it will do is it will literally upload the file and see if this image is from Google, which it obviously is. So as you can see, if you've got an image and you've searched it, say if it's a picture that you've been sent by somebody or something like that and you want to know if it's off Google, you can go ahead and do this method, and if it is on Google, and it will just literally scan the whole of Google and try and find that image that you have uploaded. So it's just as simple as that, guys. If this video will help you, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.